Hi guys, so I'm back again with another video. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about a trick how to make these eyes appear bigger, wider and more, like appealing. If you're interested, keep on watching. YouTube is stuffed with videos on how to make these eyes appear bigger. Some of these tricks include, like lining your waterline with a white or nude kajal, applying lots and lots of mascara. But the trick that I use to make my eyes appear bigger, I'm gonna share that trick with you guys. I have not seen a lot of people use this trick. I call this my personal fave trick. It makes my eyes look a lot more bigger and brighter and yay. So yeah, if you're interested, now let's there are only two things that you require in this trick to make your eyes appear bigger. The two things that you require for this trick is, firstly, you need a pink eyeshadow with lots and lots and lots of golden reflexes, or like champagne reflexes, champagne and golden undertones. And the second thing is that you need a brush. You can use your pinky finger for this as well, but I recommend you using brushes because your waterline is delicate. Pink eyeshadow that I'm going to use in this video is not even an eyeshadow. It's the Savannah Color Shining Color Shimmer Brick. This thing is also very famous on the Indian YouTube community. So yeah, this is how it looks. I have this in the shade 03 Savannah Colors. I'll just show you real quick. Use this specifically to make my eyes appear bigger. So yeah, the first thing is this, and then I have a couple of smudger brushes that I have. Now I'll just come closer to the camera so you can see what I'm actually doing. You guys may be able to see that I have pretty big eyes to make them look a lot more brighter and appear bigger. I've already shown you the eyeshadow that I'm going to use in this, so I'll just I've just taken the eyeshadow on my brush. This is how my brush looks like. You can see that I've already loaded the color in this, and I hope you all can see that this has a lot of this pink eyeshadow has a lot of golden reflexes. So yeah, this I'm taking these two shades mainly. Now that I have the color on my brush, I'm just gonna line my lower lash line with this. I'm going to do the trick on only one of my eye so that you guys can actually see the difference. This eye of mine has that pink eyeshadow with lot of golden reflexes, and I hope you can see the difference that is this eye looks a lot more bigger and brighter, and it's shouting that make me up too. So yeah, you can do this trick for yourself, and after this just apply lots and lots and lots of mascara and you're good to go. Your eyes will not look droopy, and this is a very easy trick to get those bigger appearing eyes. And you also don't have to indulge in the fuss of applying that nude or white eyeliner that may look a lot stark on Indian skin tone or deeper skin tones as well. This trick can be used on every single skin tone. The reason why this trick works is because we are using pink eyeshadow, and pink usually imitates the color of a waterline. The color of a waterline is usually pink. Since it imitates the color of a waterline, that is a lot pale pink, so it appears that a person's waterline is a lot lesser than it actually is. You may have noticed that in the entire video I was emphasizing to pick a pink eyeshadow with golden reflexes, because I already told you what the pink will do, but what the golden will do, it will actually hit back light, and it will more emphasize that your eyes are naturally bigger. And yay, so all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. This is my personal favorite trick, and trust me, this really works. I hope you all try this trick, and now my secret is no more mine. I have shared with you all. I hope and I wish that you all try this trick because it really works. You just give it a try and you'll fall in love. Found this video helpful, please do like, comment and subscribe to join the family, and yeah, for all the good stuff. So yeah, until next time, bye guys.